guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. There is nearly about 6,000 to 7,000 rupees properties that I'm going to show you, and I'm very close to one of the layout in Hennur Road. So we are just entering into it, and this is something I'm going to show you. This is the layout, beautiful layout. I can see the decent houses all around. This is a gated community. यहाँ पे मैं करीब 6,500-7,000 रुपए के पर स्क्वायर फीट में एक प्लॉट आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ डिमांड. देयर इज नथिंग अवेलेबल इन 6,000 7,000 इन Hennur anymore. So you can see the development in the layout. Yeah.
East facing 58.
So there is one house over there, and this is one more lovely house I can see. So decent crowd in this layout, and the property which I'm going to show you is yen salada price
56,500.
6,500 rupees only. Getting a plot in heart of Hennur Force. This is the compound from here. वैसे मैं उतर के दिखाऊंगा अभी कार से. So this is the compound from this part to that part. It is so let me get down and tell you. So guys, some beautiful houses coming with red bricks, the Mangalore red bricks, and this is one more beautiful house. So this is the layout from here. यहाँ से लेकर के वहाँ पे it is 50 and the depth is 80. So this is from this point to that point it is 50. तो guys काफ़ी वैसे बैंगलोर अभी काफ़ी ठंडा हो गया है. Temperature had reached to 42 almost, but now it has come down to almost 35 33. So from this part to that part it is 50 and the depth is 80 feet. From this part to that part it is 80 feet. So this is 50 by 80, 4,000 square feet का plot है, east facing, and the price is 6,500 rupees. And a beautiful layout. This is a 30 feet road. It is 50 by 80, 4,000 square feet, east facing in heart of Hennur. Guys, if you want to visit this property, मेरा number तो इसे description में है ही. WhatsApp link is there. Call me and let me know. I can show you this property. So this is some look. So this is a different look of the layout. There are lots of good houses all around. So guys, somebody who's really serious about the layout. Somebody who is really serious about 4,000 square feet, only for those this plot is available for 6,500. So only serious people do call me. Baki, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And now I'm close to Shobha City. This is backside of Shobha City, I guess. This is the lake created by government lake very close to Shobha City, and just next to Shobha City I'm traveling towards the different property now. So this is the lake coming in. Nice view. ज़्यादातर ये जो शोभा में होंगे ना, they must be getting a beautiful view of this lake. तो guys, I'm entering into a different layout right now. तो यहाँ पे आपको so over here lots of houses. So guys, this is a different layout, a plotted community, and the price over here. We have about west facings will be 30-50 and east facings will be 30-40 over here, and the price would be around 7,500. So this layout is already developed, and कुछ सामने घर दिख रहे हैं. This is all this house is under construction, and this is all developed and people are living over here already. So यहाँ पे the price is going on 7,500. The land is A khata and the particular site is B khata. So this is a B khata property, DC converted. ज़्यादातर लोग they were looking at the price 6,500 to 7,500. So this layout, unlike the one which I showed you, 4,000 square feet, which the rate was 6,500. यहाँ का rate है, this is a different layout, and यहाँ का rate है 7,500. So if you're interested, do let me know, and we can close this deal. We can show you these plots. So there are about 10 plots available for the rate of 7,500 rupees per square feet. Guys, look at that. There are some houses right in front. That's a house over there. So layout में काफ़ी सारे घर आ गए हैं already. तो गाइस तो चलते हैं एक सो लेट्स गो टू अ डिफरेंट प्लॉट. वहाँ पे जाके देखते हैं कि क्या है एंड चेक करते हैं उधर. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. सो वी आर हेडिंग टू अनदर प्रॉपर्टी. अभी पता चला है कि अभी जस्ट एक फ़ोन आया फ्रॉम द ओनर एंड देयर इज़ अ इंडिपेंडेंट हाउस फॉर सेल इन अमेजिंग प्राइस. आई हैव नेवर हर्ड अबाउट दिस प्राइस ऑन अ 30-40. तो जाते हैं, देखते हैं कि क्या प्राइस है एंड हाउ इज दिस इज अ ब्रांड न्यू प्रॉपर्टी इन अ गुड लेआउट. And right now I'm in heart of Hennur Road near Christy Jayanti College, and this property is on close to almost a 30-40 plot, and इस पे it's a brand new property. The price what is told बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे. Price is almost never heard this price from a long time. तो check करते हैं. I'm just going to take a quick video of the house and show you, and also I'll discuss you about the price in the video itself. Christy Jayanti College के पास हूँ, देख लीजिएगा.
Good potential for rent.
This property is behind Christy Jayanti College. So once let me shoot the video of the house. And so this is the college. One of the biggest and the prominent landmark of Hennur. The strength of Christy Jayanti College is about 15,000 students. So the PGs all around the Christy Jayanti College are like booming, and यहाँ पे काफ़ी PGs and काफ़ी stay for the students. ये businesses are running a lot in this surrounding. So this property is also right behind Christy Jayanti. When you come down, I'll tell you the location and all. When you come down, I will show you the property. So right now चलते हैं अभी और देखते हैं कि कैसा प्रॉपर्टी है, क्या इसका प्राइस है, and everything I'm going to show you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. तो गाइज आप लोग लाइक शेयर वगैरह करने में यू शो अ लॉट ऑफ लेजीनेस. तो व्हाई डोंट यू बी एक्टिव, एंड आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस व्लॉग फॉर यू फ्रॉम सम टाइम नाउ. इट्स बीन like 3 years. Be active and like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notification of all my videos once I upload. तो guys, this is the house. वैसे ये काम तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. दिस इज़ गुड फॉर वेंटिलेशन एंड द आउटर एलिवेशन लुक रियली नाइस. साइज़ मैं आपको बता दूंगा. फिलहाल लेट्स सी व्हाट्स देयर इनसाइड. तो guys, this is brand new property. Just look at the elevation. So this is the car parking area. There will be about 2 car parking. इसमें 2 car parking होंगे. So 2 car parkings, right, sir? Over here. One here and they can turn and come here, right? Yeah. So 2 car parks. तो guys, यहाँ पे 2 car park आ जाएंगी. One over there and one over here. There are 2 car park. So
This is the gas pipeline.
So that's the gas pipeline below. So there will be 2 gas pipelines, right?
Both the floors.
Both the floors. Guys, it is almost completed property.
Almost completed.
It is a completed property. Thoda
Cleaning left.
Yeah.
Cleaning only left.
Only cleaning is left, and this is the living room in the ground floor, one of the unit. So this is the living room, and यहाँ पे kitchen है. Nice spacious kitchen. Spacious kitchen and yeah. तो guys, ये यूटिलिटी के लिए जा रहा है ये. दिस इज द ये इस प्लॉट का कंपाउंड
11,000 liters.
सो दिस इज 11,000 liters sump, and this is a toilet in the ground floor, and look at the The space of this kitchen is very nicely maintained. So this is a 2 BHK or 1 BHK?
This is 1 BHK, 2 BHK is up.
Yeah, so this is 1 BHK in the ground floor. This is the bedroom. So, okay. So guys, this is bedroom. There is a storage space over here. So this is a 1 BHK in the ground floor. What would be the rent expected for this?
This one, I think something above 15,000 easily.
तो गाइज मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे आपको 15,000 12 तो ओवर हियर 12 से 15,000 तो रेंट आपको मिल ही जाएगा ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे. सो लेट्स
Area, so
आई नो इट इज राइट बिहाइंड क्रिस्टु जयंती. सो देयर इज नो डाउट दैट वी कैन गेट इवन 15,000.
We had lot of inquiries already for rent.
ओके.
So this is the elevation.
सो तो गाइज ये टेराकोटा का एलिवेशन दिख रहा है जो मैंने आपको आगे से दिखाया. सो वी कैन सी दिस फ्रॉम behind as well. So this is the design. Very few people use this. So I'm in the first floor and first floor में काफी बड़ा लग रहा है ये लिविंग. Very spacious. So we entered from there and that is dining area, right? So that is, so this is the dining area and this goes to, so this is a sitting, a kind of a living room adjoining to that balcony. And ये वाला काफी मुझे ठीक लगा. This was like a huge dining area. Nearly 8 to 10 people can accommodate here in the dining.
Biggest balcony.
Yeah, and let me show the kitchen first. So there's a hand wash over here and look at the kitchen. Guys, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि they have given a lot of concentration on kitchen, too much of space because they maybe the ladies will be happy more than the men. So that is the main. तो kitchen से living दिख रहा है.
This owner, his wife is architect only.
हाँ, his wife is an architect. तो owner's wife is an architect, so that is why यहाँ पे मुझे kitchen, even in a 2 BHK, the kitchen looks like a 3 BHK kitchen. 3 BHK kitchen लग रहा है मुझे. तो let's see the balcony. So this is the balcony and this is the view outside. So काफ़ी बड़ा लिविंग है एंड देन यहाँ पे वी हैव अ बेडरूम. This is an attached toilet. This is the second bedroom. That's a balcony. Attached toilet. So guys, मैंने देखा कि there are both the bedrooms has attached toilet and there is a balcony over here. And that balcony goes to the living room and this is the view outside. तो guys ऐसे ही there is another unit exactly on top of this. So this is the balcony. तो guys ऐसे ही there is another unit on top of this. So in the ground floor there was 1 BHK. In the first floor, right now I'm in the first floor 2 BHK. and the second floor on top of this again it is the same unit.
Identical.
Yeah, it is exactly identical unit on top of this. So there are totally 3 units. Ground floor में 1 BHK, the rent would be 15 to 17,000 right now. Where I am in the first floor, जो 2 BHK मैंने आपको दिखाया, this will fetch about 22,000 rupees rent, and on top of this 22,000 rupees rent. So overall 60,000 rupees rent, and the frontage is 26 and the depth is 40. So frontage इसका 26 है, the plot size in the front it is 26 and the depth is 40. So total dimension of the total size of the plot is 1040 square feet. In 1040 square feet, the owner's wife is an architect. She is beautifully done the architect work. Kitchen काफी बड़ा बनाया उन्होंने, and the hall and living is big, and most of the living room and the kitchen is only used most of the time for the family. The family is living. Those spaces are really big and huge. So guys, this property, the property cost is amazing. Hardly I've seen any property cost like this in Bangalore in Hennur Road right now. So the property like this, brand new property, a rental income property, it is really very difficult. This is a B Khata property, BBMP Khata. It is a B Khata, BBMP, and this layout is already right behind Kristu Jayanti. तो आपको tenants ढूंढने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं होगी यहाँ पे. I've hardly seen any property on a B Khata coming below 180 अभी तक. तो guys, property cost you're going to see in the description. So आप description में property cost में डाल दूंगा, check कर लेना, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. तो guys, मैं अभी कार में हूँ, and जाते जाते मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. The ground floor is 1 BHK, the first floor is 2 BHK, and the second floor is 2 BHK, and on top it is terrace. So totally it is 26 in the front, and the depth is 40. So it is 1040 square feet, and the price, it's beautifully constructed, everything. The price I'm going to put in the screen. Once we get the price, I'll put it on the screen. And the owner called me and he wanted me to shoot this video in Hennur, and thankfully I was available to shoot at the same time. So we have covered this for you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. जल्द से जल्द आपको प्राइस स्क्रीन में दिख जाएगा. जैसे ही मुझे प्राइस मिलेगा, I'll put it in the screen. This is a brand new rental income property behind Kristu Jayanti College. Exact location, please don't ask me. Lot of people ask me exact location. So guys, there are lots of reasons behind that. So please, we follow protocol. We don't give an exact location. I'm always available. I will show you the property. You will be able to see the property directly and inspect it, and then you can also close it with the concerned person. So thank you so much for being till here. Let's meet up in a different vlog. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.